Olúwo rèé o níbi ọdún 9 sẹ́yìn nígbà tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gorí àpèrè ọba. Nígbà yẹn kò tíì máa mu apẹ̀rẹ̀ igbó. Àwọn igbó ká lọ rà lábẹ́ káńtà ni owó rẹ̀ ká kó tó di pé ó lọ darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn alùbókobòko tí wọ́n jọ lọ gbowó Sáúdí tí wọ́n fi ń dalẹ̀ Yorùbá rú. O ní ọdún 9 sẹ́yìn nígbà tí ò tí ì máa mu apẹ̀rẹ̀ igbó tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ dìde.
One of it being that the Iwo has a connection. Iwo land has a connection to the crown in Ife.
Yes.
Could you shed a bit more light into this connection?
Iwo is actually the same crown that they are using in Ife is what Iwo is using here, because the sitting Oni that time is the one I actually gave Telu, who's supposed to bring the crown here but never got here. He got to only 5 kilometers away. He's the one that they gave him the crown, and Iwo is the only one that actually has a ruling house in Ife today, which falls on, it's a Oluwo royal family, which falls under the is a subsection of the gazetted Lafugido ruling house. A person from that family can actually vie to become Oluwo. Yes, from Owodo Luwo royal family, you can actually contest to become Oluwo, and somebody in Iwo too can actually go to Ife and say, I want to contest to be an Oni. Yes.
Okay.
And that's how Iwo crown is very, very important. This land was predicted. We were told to come to the land of the abode of the powers, with a very strong warning that if you don't get there, don't wear the crown. If you don't get there, don't stop. Telu never got here. It was like the Moses in the desert now. Use 40. Look at Egypt to Israel is not far. It's not even a day's walk. The same thing, Telu from Ife. Never got here. He only got to Igborita, which is 5 kilometers away. That's where he passed. And since then, we haven't seen any of his traces yet. But when I got on, the day I got installed, November 9th, that's when God told me pass now. When people start yelling, Ilufemi Loye, Ilufemi Loye, which means people want you to be king. God told me right there and then that you are Telu the first. You came back. The authority to actually start this land, to establish this land, has come.